In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add clickable link on canva.com. You know, Canva is a absolutely free video and photo editing software you can use right now. So this link I will attach in the description below. Now I open a design template. You can open any design, any template. This does not matter. Now I'm going to any format. Example of I want to add the link on meet the button. Just select this icon, then you can see the link. Just click here, then paste your link. So I already copy a link. You can see www.youtube.com. Just done. Now if I want to add on others, this is possible, so I don't need, because this is example only. So I scroll down, then I want to download this file. Just go to download option, then I need download this format on PDF standard, because when you add any clickable link on Canva, you need to must be up download to PDF. Otherwise, this link does not work. So my download are already successful. So I'm going to already downloaded. So I want to open it. Then you can see the link. Just click here. I'm going to youtube.com. so this link work perfectly. So if you want to more video to type up, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.